Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Destash video. This video has one Destash in it, and it's going to be PayPal friends and family, 18 years old or older, pay within an hour receipt of email confirmation, and you're going to email me at fphandmade@gmail.com if you're interested. That's fphandmade@gmail.com. And this Destash is going to be $50 ship. That's $50 ship. So let's get started here. So right off the bat, we have a cute little die here from Simon Says Stamp. It's a birthday candle, and it's two dies in here, one with a design and one without. And then we have a cute little stamp set from Hero Arts. It's like crafters with glue and sticking stuff. It says, "I'm stuck on you, friends stick together, and thanks for sticking by my side." It has a glue gun, tape dispenser, maybe washi tape, a glue stick, and liquid glue, and then a star and a heart stamp. And then also from Hero Arts, we have this really cute little stamp set. It says messages for card making, and I have one of these and I use it often. Has a little swirling, like something's coming in the mail, please deliver, made with love, happy mail, special delivery. So super cute stamp set from Hero Arts. And then from Little Birdie, these cute little embellishments. They're super sparkly. The flowers are really pretty and colorful. And this little stamp set from Studio G, 10 pieces, and it's basically, you know, like a little ribbon that you win, and it has the stamp, and then you can die cut it out, and you can put number 1, great job, you did it, wow, the best, high five. Super cute 10-piece stamp set, stamp and die set. And then I have from various collections and paper that I have, this is 6x6 cut up pieces of card design paper. It's really pretty, different designs and patterns, so something that you can use in your crafting. And then I have a lot of the garden party pieces here. So it starts off with the 192 stickers on these 2 rows here. And then I have the 7-piece washi spool set, washi tape, 7 pieces. I'm pretty sure you've seen this. And then I have the 51 stickers. These are the puffy stickers, always super cute. I love that bee, that bird, and that butterfly. And then we have the 20-piece resin stickers. These are the hearts, really pretty. I have the 19-piece stamp set for garden party, really cute. I have the 40-piece ephemera set here, and it shows you on the back. It looks like you get some, maybe a couple of acetate pieces. It says 30 cardstock and 10 vellum, that's what I meant, vellum pieces. So that's cool. You also get the 6x8 garden party paper pads, 24 sheets. Some of the designs here on the front, I'm pretty sure you've seen this. And then also the 70-piece sticker set. I really love that lovely, isn't that pretty? And then the alpha thickers, garden party. And then 2 of the sticker sheets, front and back stickers, 2 of these. I also have the garden party chipboard collection. Really cute. Super cute fox. And then I have the 12 by 12 pad, 48 pieces, 48 pages. So I'm pretty sure you guys seen this. It's really pretty. Then I have a few other sheets left. Also having a hard time getting my words together today. There's 4 of those. So you get the 12 by 12, some extra sheets, the chipboard, 2 of the stickers, the letter stickers, the garden party, some more puffy stickers. You get the garden party 40-piece ephemera, stamp set, 51-piece puffy stickers, 20 resin stickers, the 7 washi tape spools, and 102 stickers, 6x8 paper pad. You get some 6x6 different pages of paper, pattern paper. You get stamp sets and different embellishments, and then the cute little Simon Says Stamps candle. So that's it. So this is $50 ship. I will be adding a few little extra things to the box as a thank you. This is PayPal, friends and family, US 18 years old or older. Please pay within the hour of receipt of email confirmation, and email me at fphandmade@gmail.com. The comments below will be turned off. So thanks for watching. Bye.